my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to show you how to display stack of napkins in the shape of rose. It is cute table decor, and when guests take napkins, rose keeps its shape very well. The first few napkins will be the top of the flower, so try to be gentle and don't wrinkle so much. I try to keep outside of my napkin longer than the center. This way, my flower has more volume and more realistic looks. I go in a circle and place napkin on the top of each other. I have on my channel video with a similar technique, but it serves rose individually on the plate. If you're interested, check it out. To make my flower, I use 25 napkins. My flower almost ready. I just need to place ball on the top and it will hold flower together very well. Visit my website. I have much more about napkin folds on my website than on YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.